Hi everyone, my name is Allie Morris, and today I am going to be talking to you about an Apple accessibility feature that I thought was super interesting. So today we're going to look closer into the spoken content feature, and this allows for text to be read aloud. And I really like this because you can customize under the settings different features. So you can have it highlight words, you can have it underline sentences as it's reading aloud, and you can also customize the voice. So to get to this feature, you can open up your settings and then click accessibility. And then there's a spoken content under the vision section. So click that. And then on the next slide, I included a how-to video on how to get this set up. So turn the speak selection and speak screen on. And then here I have just highlight words, sentences, words and sentences. And then I went with the color yellow. Just kidding, I went with pink. And then here's an example.
Dental care for cats and dogs. Routine pet dental care is a critical component of cats and dogs' oral and overall health, but most pets don't get the oral hygiene care they need to keep their teeth and gums healthy. At our Westchester Veterinary Hospital, we provide complete dental care for your pet.
So I just let this play a little bit. I'm just researching pet dentist because my dog fractured his tooth. So this was the most current screen. So I just tested it out on here. And then I was curious to see whether or not this would play in other apps such as Kindle. I know I love listening to audiobooks, but then if it's not a specific audiobook that's downloaded, it would just have the text. So I was curious if this feature would be able to read aloud regular text on a Kindle. So on the next video, you'll see I go into my app, and then this was just a random page of a book that I downloaded.
In improved professional learning for teachers and school leaders, as if it were following the British playbook, the second-term Obama government now appears to be cautiously adopting a similar course. The onset of international comparisons in the past 5 years or so U.S. educational performance, as well as the nation's reform strategy.
So again, I just paused it because you get the point. And then I played around with whether or not I could highlight this because I wasn't sure why the highlight feature wasn't coming up. And I'm thinking that maybe it was because it's already in a Kindle app. But yeah. So that was the spoken content feature, and I am super excited to have this on my phone.